The ultimate guide to business intelligence certification training. What is Power Business Intelligence? BI. Power Business Intelligence, BI, is a comprehensive suite of business analytics tools developed by Microsoft. It provides users with a powerful platform to connect to various data sources, transform raw data into meaningful insights, and share those insights across an organization. The need for Power BI certification training. Industry recognition. Power BI certification serves as a recognized credential that validates an individual's expertise in using the Power BI platform. Competitive advantage. In a job market that increasingly values data literacy and analytical skills, Power BI certification sets you apart from other candidates. Expanded career opportunities. The demand for professionals skilled in Power BI and data analysis continues to rise across industries. Benefits of Power BI certification training. Validated expertise. Power BI certification serves as tangible evidence of your proficiency in using the Power BI platform. Career advancement. Power BI certification can significantly enhance your career prospects. Tips for Power BI certification exam preparation. Understand the exam objectives. Familiarize yourself with the exam objectives and the skills that are tested in the certification exam. Hands-on practice. Power BI is a tool that requires practical application to truly understand its capabilities. Conclusion. In conclusion, Power Business Intelligence, BI, is a powerful tool that enables organizations to extract valuable insights from their data, make informed decisions, and drive business success.